Now we're going to talk about semantic tags. These are special tags that allow us to organize and group HTML elements together. Some examples are header, footer, nav, and so on. These tags are invisible to our users, and they're important for accessibility reasons as well. For example, visually impaired users who are using screen readers. It's also important for SEO, so Google can figure out what content on your website should be shown on Google. So let's look at some core important semantic tags and dive deeper into this topic. And let's look at our final website as well and take a guess of what some semantic tags are here. We know there's header, we know there's footer, we know there's a section here and a section here, and main. So it maps very closely to the semantic tags we have here. So the header section allows us to create the section of our website that will contain things like our logo or navigation. So example here, this is header. Let's look at the code. And just about every single website has a header and a navigation. So see the header tag. And this nicely lets us group our elements and organize it for other coders as well. Then within header, there's nav, another semantic tag. And nav allows us to create the section of our website where we'd like a menu to be. For example, home and contact. And this is where we use nav. And we can see we have home here and contact here. So whenever we want a menu, we'll use nav. Next, the main tag will house all the sections of our website. So let's look. Our website has two sections. One section here and one section below that section. And notice these sections, the parent element of them is main. So we have our main tag, then our section tag. And our section tag allows us to break content into sections. For example, we can have a section for video or a section for text, just like we have here. So we have one section for some text and images, and another for video. We can even have more sections, maybe one for audio. And then lastly, your footer. Just about every website has a footer. And this allows us to display things at the very bottom of our website, such as social media links or copyright information. And notice right here, we have our footer with social media links, as well as some copyright information in this paragraph tag. Again, this is a quick snapshot of what it looks like. Let's look at this code more in depth. So again, we have header. And we'll explain the difference between those two soon. Nav, main, section, another section, and footer. So these are some examples of semantic tags. And we'll be using them to structure a website so that we know where things go.